Vocalicious and oh so delicious. Oh yeah, I want more. So today we're gonna take a look at the Sony 24mm F1.4 G Master Lens. Hello world, it is your boy Passport Kenny checking in, and today we're gonna take a look at some sample footage coming straight out of this bad boy right here. And we're gonna take it through various picture profiles, various crop modes, and various shooting scenarios. So without further ado, here we go! Now that we're back from Tokyo, I just wanted to give my thoughts a little bit on the Sony 24mm F1.4 before I end this video. Now, one of the reasons why I bought this lens is because of what I feel I could capture with it. Doing mostly travel-based content, I felt that the lens gave me just enough reach with what I wanted to shoot. And I never felt limited, especially in the narrow streets of Tokyo. I felt like I could capture as much as I wanted to and not feel limited. Actually, I've used this lens for a majority of my taking street portraits in Tokyo video, which you can check out in the link above. Now, another thing I love about this lens is the form factor. It's small, compact, lightweight, perfect for a traveler, and the customizable button, the focus toggle, and the declickable aperture ring give a tactile experience while shooting, which I actually really enjoy. Just knowing that I have extra bits of control that are on the lens itself makes it such a more enjoyable experience overall. Now, as for build quality, it's exactly what you would expect from a $1,400 lens. I did accidentally drop this once, and there is a bit of a scratch right here, which I hate to admit, but it's been holding up very well. I even shot on a couple rainy days, and there's been no problems whatsoever after the fact. Now, in terms of focusing, because it is a Sony native lens, of course it's going to work well with Sony bodies. Although in my first test, there is a little bit of focus breathing that I did note when the camera was trying to lock in on the bell, if you look very closely. Otherwise, there's not much that I can say that I dislike about this lens aside from the price tag, which for me is still pretty hefty, but I understand this is a G Master lens with an f1.4 aperture. I'm not one to say if you need to buy this lens or not, but I know personally for me, where I'm at and what I like to capture, this lens is an extreme killer, and it stayed on my Sony A7iii body for about 85 to 90% of the time, with my Tamron 28 to 75 f2.8 taking up the rest of the slot whenever I need that extra reach. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for getting to the end of this video. If you did enjoy the video, please hit that like button. If you did not enjoy the video, I appreciate that you took just enough time to even watch this video, and subscribe to the channel for even more content. I'm going to try to do weekly uploads, trying to get into that rhythm. Otherwise, until next time, peace.